All right, so here's a quick tutorial on how I am using architectural shingles to make a ridge cap. I'm being a little bit cheap. I didn't want to go buy some extras. I'm using Oak Ridge shingles from Home Depot. I didn't want to go buy the ridge caps because I had plenty of shingles left over. I had a bunch of like 19-inch sections or 16-inch sections that I didn't use. So I'm gonna just use them as my ridge cap, save a little bit of money. There's not a lot of on YouTube about this, so let me show you what I'm doing. I am doing a ridge vent, so that's how I'm putting it over the top. If I wasn't using a ridge vent, I don't know if I would do it this way. You can. Well, I think it would be fun. Up to you. I'm not giving it advice, but just showing you how I did it. What I'm being sure to do is when I cut each piece, I'm having the second tab up in the middle and nothing on the edge because I don't want it to pool there and then come back. That might be a little bit overkill, but it's just something that I'm doing because really when you do this, you prop up the front and it will drain to the back. Yes, you do have these little curbs right here underneath, but honestly, I wouldn't risk it. I would rather not have something pool up. And let me show you what I mean. I cut one earlier that I wouldn't use. See how this one, if I put this one here like this, the water will hit right here, run down, and it'll pool up here. Honestly, it'll probably pop over, but then I just don't want it to run back. I was putting my nails a little too close. Honestly, I'm gonna start sliding my nails probably back to here. I just really don't want to have any problems because I am going through this ridge cap, but that's how I'm doing that. I'll show you real quick how I'm cutting them. If you have scraps, this is a really good way. If you're using full shingles, honestly, depending on the pattern of the shingle, you can only get about 2 out of it. So I have one cut as a template. I'll match it up and I'll find a good spot. Honestly, that's good. I want that kind of as centered as possible. And then I'll flip it over, put it right there, and then I'll score it with my blade, pop it off, bring it on over, and then I'll nail it here. Now, real quick, notice that some of mine have this. This one had a small little piece that I just tore off. Honestly, I'm gonna throw a little bit of mastic over that, but really it shouldn't matter. It's kind of a little gutter anyway. So that's how I do it. Then I'm putting 2 nails on each. You line up the seams right here, then bam, 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 bam. Actually, I'd go back a little bit more. My first one too, real quick, I did throw mastic so I don't get anything coming up. So it's sticking to that ridge vent. That's how I'm doing it. Let me know what you think.